Introducing Lite with PowerPass technology, a transformational LED pool lighting product that seamlessly blends modular design, wireless power, and advanced illumination technologies to deliver unmatched flexibility, safety, and savings. Lite's modern modular design makes lighting installation, service, winterization, upgrades, and replacement plug-and-play for all industry-standard 1.5-inch pool niches or even niches that have been downsized to 3/4-inch conduit. Finally, a pool light that's built for new and retrofit applications that's as easy to change as, well, a light. Additionally, Lite's modular components approach means increased customization options with multiple trim plate color options and shapes. The trim plate also doubles as a lamp installation and removal tool. PowerPass is the wireless energy technology that powers Lite. It is the leading standard for safe submersible low-energy power applications for pools and spas. PowerPass uses the same advanced technology found in today's wireless charging applications. A power circuit is only created when the two elements come into close proximity to each other. The wireless lamp never is physically connected to power, which is why it can be easily removed and replaced while in the water. Lite illumination offers perfectly blended LED RGB color mixing through an opaque diamond weave wide-angle diffused lens, which creates smooth and consistent light distribution throughout the pool. Lite uses proven IR technology to set pre-programmed lighting colors and shows, select desired hues, and adjust brightness. It is also ideal for future feature enhancements. Lite's multi-mode firmware allows the light to work with traditional 12-volt AC lighting transformers to produce a range of colors and shows. When Lite is used with SR Smith's PoolLux Premier, it can be set to any of 49 colors and dimmed to set the desired mood, all in an energy-efficient 7-watt design. Lite with PowerPass, a new way to experience pool lighting. Welcome to the era of wireless illumination.